These are gliding tree frogs, Agalychnis spurrelli, aggregating by the thousands to reproduce during a large explosive breeding event on vegetation overhanging this neotropical pond. Sex ratios during these reproductive events are highly male-skewed, and the male-to-male competition is strong. For example, single males will physically combat for mates and attempt to dislodge amplexed males and take their place. While this scramble for mating opportunity ensues, amplexed females will lay egg clutches in thin monolayers on the surface of leaves, forming large masses of eggs. Amidst this mating mayhem, we have frequently observed non-amplexed males perform a behavior described as egg scraping. Males position themselves over recently laid eggs and perform kicks with their hind legs, as depicted in this video, sometimes for several minutes and even after amplexed pairs leave. Often, several males kick at the same egg mass and even seem to compete for the optimal kicking position. However, although this behavior seems common among non-amplexed males in our observations, we know very little about its true function. Scott and Starrett hypothesized that egg kicking by male-gliding tree frogs functions as an antagonistic strategy to remove and kill competitors' offspring. If scrapers successfully dislodge eggs, this tactic could increase their relative reproductive success by decreasing the survival of competitors' offspring, thus making this behavior adaptive. However, this hypothesis is speculative and was based on just 3 direct observations. To test this hypothesis and assess whether egg kicking by males dislodges eggs from clutches, we analyzed video recordings of egg kicking by male-gliding tree frogs at a pond on Costa Rica's Osa Peninsula. We analyzed 754 individual kicks by 57 different males at 47 egg masses, across 9 reproductive events and 2 breeding seasons. On average, the males we observed kicked at eggs about 13 times, ranging up to 61 times. There is only one case, shown here, where a single egg fell during kicking. However, we attribute this rare case of egg dislodgement to the fact that this egg and the surrounding abnormally structured egg mass were loosely attached to the leaf before the male began kicking. Therefore, we conclude that egg kicking does not function to dislodge competitors' eggs. Our findings suggest that egg kicking by male-gliding tree frogs serves a different purpose and creates the opportunity for new hypotheses to be tested. Thank you for listening.